How's everybody doing today? Hope all my local guys, I hope y'all are all safe after our storm we had yesterday. I'm gonna give everybody a say. I'm gonna tag everybody in this real quick. Just let me know when you're on. Like I said, I hope everybody was safe yesterday. Hope nobody had too much damage. We lost power here at the shop, I guess about 12:30. The alarm company called me last night, and when I got here this morning at 10 after 10, still had no power, and came back on about 10:20, so it wasn't that long. Noticed when I walked in the door it was hot in here, but we got power. Had a little water come in the front door. Nothing bad here. Let everybody know that don't know, we do have tickets into our drawing here, our monthly drawing. And this is the ticket. Every $10 you spend, you get a ticket into the monthly drawing. This month is going to be Gold Standard Football. There's 7 cards in there, and 2017 Tier 1 Baseball. There's 2 autographs and 1 relic. We will draw 10 tickets. The first ticket drawn will get the first card in the box. The second ticket, or we'll get the second card. Like I said, I hadn't decided how I'm going to do this yet. I don't know if I want to do this box here first. I'll let it know before I start drawing tickets what I'm going to do. But that was everybody's ticket there for this. You got 3 tickets for this here. I'm still waiting for Steve, and Keith. Have y'all got on yet? Also, for y'all that aren't in this one, we got we're doing the HTA. There's 3 autographs in here. We're going to randomize the names, randomize the numbers. Whoever gets the first card will get the first card in the pack. This comes in like a 25 count, 25 count case. I will take it out. I will set it on top. The first card goes to the first person, second card to the second person. Also, I have a few spots left. I have 1 spot left in the Donner certified cuts, which are right behind here. That's $13 a spot. We fill that up. I'll do that break. We got 3 more spots in the contenders left over here, and I think you get, it's 6 packs. So there's 5 autographs in the box there, and we do have 3 spots left in that. Do have the Pop Century that came out Friday. There's 4 autographs in this box. And they there's 4 autographs or memorabilia. I think it's 3 autographs guaranteed, and then you might get a memorabilia, and some of the memorabilias are autographed. But I have 3 spots left in that also. Got some certified racing spots left available. I think there's 760. That's a random pack. And there's a couple other more breaks going on. I think certified football and Donner Elite. If y'all like to see anything, just let me know. I'm still waiting for Steve, and Keith. Nobody's told me so far that they've on yet. Y'all just let me know and I'll get this thing started. Did pick up some cool stuff this week while we're waiting on them to get on for the guys watching. Got a John Hanna autograph, number 4 of 5. Jerry Rice, 1 of 1 out of National Treasures football. Cooper Kupp auto, numbered out of 99. Trying to get that in. Got a Carson Wentz, numbered out of 25. Oh, there's a black gold Randall Cunningham, number 10 of 10. Looks like I need to refocus my camera here real quick. Give me a second. I bumped my camera earlier, so let me refocus this in. Zoom. There we go. Alright, got that back working again. Alright, Steve, Keith, or Steve, y'all on? Show some other Tom Brady numbered out of 99. Taiwan Taylor. Got a Jordan rookie sticker in. It's just some stuff I hadn't processed yet. Steve, let's see. I'm still waiting on them. Judge, Ichiro jersey. And there's a bunch more stuff I need to process tomorrow. Also, I'll have some pictures up. I don't know if I showed that one or not, the Bryce Harper. But I did get the prizes we have the trade day or sports card day next Sunday from 2 to 5. So if y'all get a chance to come on out for that, just let me know. Alright, there we go. I see Steven's here, Keith's here. I'm not sure if the other Steve's here or not, but we're going to go ahead and do this. Let's see, pull this up. This is break number 45. Yep, break number 45. So let's go ahead and roll the dice to see what we're going to do here. And I don't know if y'all had seen, we'll real quick show you. Here's everybody's tickets here for a monthly drawing, which will be not this next coming up Sunday, but the next. And again, to let everybody know, since y'all got on, I'll open it up. There's 10 count. I know Keith's seen some of this open. I'm going to take the cards out of the case, set them back on top of the box. The first card will go to number 1, second card to number 2, third card to number 3. 3 cards in the box, all 3 autographs. So let's go ahead and roll the dice now and see what we get here. All right, looks like 8. So this is going to be break number 45. And go. We're going to randomize each list 8 times. So good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we'll go ahead and assign those. Looks like Stewart got number 1, Keith got number 2, and Stephen A got number 3. So I will post that over into this. And we're going to go back over. Let me just say, let me print this. Labels. Alright, I got my sleeves, I got my top load, so we should be good to go. Good luck, guys. see if we can't pull a big one here. All right. Let me get the box back over here. All right. Got my sleeves ready, got my top loads ready. All right, here we go. Steve Stewart's up first. Good luck. It's gonna be Gage Hines. Gage Hines. I guess that's how you say that. For the Steelers. I'm sorry. For Pittsburgh.
You're gonna wait.
And get a sleeve for that. And guys, I don't know these prospects very well. I don't know if he's playing or not. Put in there. And that one went to Steve Stewart. All right. All right. Next one up is Keith. Good luck, Keith. Lazaredo, I'm not sure. For Oakland. Again, I don't know if this guy is, I don't know if he's a hot one or not, but you never know in 2 or 3 years. Somebody might be going back and watching this break 5 years from now and say, whoa, look at that. And that one goes to Keith. The last one goes to Steve A. Steve A. Good luck. Go. Got a Ronaldo Lopez. Ronaldo Lopez. Looks like a refractor. And it is number 23 of 499. 23 of 499. For the White Sox. All right, guys, there wasn't that many cards in there. Stephen A., I'll get your card shipped off to you tomorrow. Well, thank y'all very much, and if y'all like to see any other breaks, just let me know. I appreciate it, and everybody stay safe. I know there's still some debris out in the road around here and the guys to the west of us. But thank y'all very much. Hope everybody has a great day.